In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a split color text effect in Canva step by step. This is a really eye-catching design style that makes your text look clean, modern, and professionally blended with two different colors. The best part is you don't need any advanced design skills to do this. If you follow along with me, you'll be able to create this effect in just a few minutes. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Canva design tutorials just like this. Now let's jump right into it. First, open Canva and create a blank design. You can choose any size you want depending on your project, whether it's Instagram, YouTube thumbnail, or a custom size. Once your blank canvas is open, go to the text section from the left panel and add a heading. Type in the text you want to use for your split color effect. Now choose your first color. This will be the base color of your design. You can change the font style to something bold and thick because this effect works best with strong fonts. Adjust the size and position it in the center of your page. Once you're happy with how it looks, go to Share, then Download, and save this page as an image file, preferably PNG for better quality. Next, add another page within the same Canva design. On this second page, repeat the exact same process. Go to Text, add the same heading, and type the exact same word or phrase. Make sure the font style, size, and positioning match the first page exactly. The only difference this time is the color. Change the text to your second color. This is what will blend with the first one to create the split effect. Once everything is aligned and looks identical apart from the color, download this page as an image as well. Now add a third page in the same design. This is where the magic happens. Upload both of the images you just saved back into Canva using the Upload section. Place both images onto the third page. Make sure they are perfectly aligned on top of each other. You can use the Position tool and Center Alignment options to ensure they are stacked exactly the same. Proper alignment is very important here, otherwise the blend won't look clean. Once both images are aligned, go to the Apps section on the left side of Canva. In the search bar, type Image Blender. Click on the Image Blender app to open it. This tool allows you to blend two images together smoothly. Inside Image Blender, choose the Linear Blend option. Linear Blend creates a smooth transition from one image to the other in a straight line. You'll now see a strength or adjustment slider. Move the slider left or right to control how strong the blend appears. Adjust it slowly until you get that perfect half-and-half split color effect. You can experiment with different directions and strengths depending on whether you want a sharp split or a soft gradient transition. Once you're satisfied with how the blended text looks, click Save or Apply to add it back to your design. You can now resize it, reposition it, or even add backgrounds and other elements to complete your design. And that's it. That's how you create a split color text effect in Canva using the Image Blender app. It's simple, clean, and gives your typography a professional look without needing complicated tools. If this video helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Canva tips and design tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.